Alright, today we are going to learn how to draw and color things that start with the letter E. Okay, so here we have the nearly completed letter E. We just have to color it now and sign it. Also draw the frame. I'm going to do this in real time just for now, and then we'll switch back to time lapse once I start coloring. So yeah, the key is really to reduce the amount of lines. Line economy, as it's called, should be efficient and thermodynamic. And by thermodynamic, I mean dynamic, because this has nothing to do with temperature. In any case, hang in there with it. You can get it done. All right, let's crack open a fresh box of 100 color thin tip, super tip washable markers. This is not a sponsored video, but Crayola, if you do like what you see, definitely give me a shout. We'll see if we can't work something out. We're gonna jump into the time-lapsed coloring now. And so that is how we draw and color things that start with the letter E. I hope you enjoyed that. Egg, envelope, elephant, eggplant, eagle, eye, ear, easel, eel, E. And that is how you draw and color things that start with the letter E. I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you're trying hard and being persistent, and do not give up. With drawing, it takes practice. Make sure you tune in for the next one. I'll see you then. Goodbye.